Engineering is my second career. I was 50 when I graduated and got my second bachelor's degree, and it put me at NASA. My name is Nikki Martin. I'm an electrical engineer at NASA Armstrong Flight Research Center, and this is my story. I didn't originally start out planning on working at NASA. I started my career as an accountant, went to school to get an engineering degree, and was having difficulty with the math, the calculus. So I took a step back and said, what can I do that's math related and still have a career? And I decided on accounting. I worked a variety of different types of accounting positions, and I just found that it was a lot of repetition and I wanted something that was a little more challenging. I thought about it for a while and then started taking classes, bits and pieces at a community college. And I started out taking the math over, repeat of the calculus, because that's where I had my problems. And I actually did very well in it. And after taking the math classes again, I decided to go full force into my second bachelor's degree in engineering. My first day here, I came in, they showed me around the lab, they took me out to the hangar and sat me in front of an F-18 and told me that it was my airplane. I don't know, everything was so new. It's all new. And it's still like that. Every day is still new, so. I worked on the Sophia project for a while, so the 747 with the huge telescope in it. I did the power distribution box for that. That was one of my first projects where I actually was more hands-on. It was new, it was a new box, a new design. I don't know if they're still using it, but I think that that box is still on the aircraft today, which is kind of exciting. So every time that telescope goes up into the air on that aircraft, they're still using a box that I had a hand in designing.